Learning English Speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
One evening, four close friends sat in a quiet cafe after graduating from university. They were talking about their future and the plans they could make to achieve their goals. Here is their conversation. Sarah, I am very excited to start my career. I have a great idea for my own project in the technology field. I will start looking for partners and investments to make it happen. Natalie, that's great. I'm also thinking about working in technology, but I decided to work temporarily at a well-known technology company to gain experience before starting my own project. Ashley, I am interested in the field of education. I am thinking of pursuing a graduate degree in education and then working as a teacher or educational consultant. Sophia, I think I will go on an exploratory trip around the world. I will start with a specific travel trip to learn about different cultures and gain diverse life experiences before I settle down and start my career path. Sarah, that's right. We should use this time after graduation to explore our goals and aspirations. We will have many opportunities and challenges in the coming years. Natalie, yes, and it is nice that we are always supportive of each other and encourage each other to achieve our professional and personal goals. And so the friends continue to talk about their future and ambitions, sharing their ideas and plans. These moments strengthened their strong relationship and motivated them to achieve their dreams in the future.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.